Education in Indonesia. Indonesia is a beautiful island country that settles between the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Lying along the equator, the country experiences no extreme off-season in both winter and summer, and is either wet between October and April, or dry between May and September. Indonesia comprises of no territory in the mainland Asia, but Malaysia, the closest mainland country, and Malay Peninsula claim on the mainland. Compulsory education in Indonesia. The compulsory Indonesian education consists of 9 years, and all Indonesian citizens must undergo 6 years at the elementary level and 3 years at the secondary level. The Islamic school doesn't come under this and are managed by the Ministry of Religious Affairs. Academic year in Indonesia. The school lasts for 38 weeks on an average of the primary and secondary level. The duration of the class for the primary level is 30 minutes in grade 1 and 2, 40 minutes duration for grade 3 to grade 6, and 45 minute duration for the junior secondary school. The classroom language of instruction in Indonesia is provided in the national Bahasa Indonesian language. Education system in Indonesia. The first, primary education. The primary education in Indonesia follow right after the preschool that may start in a child's third year. Most of the elementary schools in Indonesia are government-run, and some schools offer programs that are accelerated and compress the pace to 5 years. The Islamic education system also operates in parallel to this system of education. Second is middle education in Indonesia. The middle education is to work as a bridge between the mild phases of the elementary education, followed by the senior high school, which is more challenging. The system of education also guides the educator to determine a possible future direction for their student. The Islamic middle education system continues to provide an alternative. Secondary education. The secondary education has two different kinds, providing two different streams of education. One is for those who intend to go the further studies in university, and the other type is for those who want to find a job right after high school. Vocational education. The vocational training for students in Indonesia are offered by the private training college with initiative by the donor countries. Tertiary education. The tertiary education in Indonesia comprises of 4 different kinds of, namely academies, polytechnics, universities, and institutes. Some are privately funded, some are state-controlled, and some are affiliated to religious organizations. Structure of education system in Indonesia. The education system in Indonesia comprises the primary, middle, secondary, vocational, and tertiary education. The compulsory education is for 9 years, and hence everyone must attend 6 years of elementary level and 3 years of secondary education. There are so many Islamic schools in Indonesia which don't come under this and are managed by Ministry of Religious Affairs, Indonesia. Now about the structure of education system in Indonesia. The first is pre-higher education, age 7 till 15 years. School system structure. First stage school type, elementary. Length 6 years, age 7 till 12. Second stage school type, junior secondary. Length 3 years, age 13 till 15. Upper secondary education, school type, general education, senior secondary, length 3 years, age 16 till 18. The certificate of diploma that is awarded to the successful candidates. Certificate for the successfully completing upper secondary school. Vocational secondary. School type, the vocational senior secondary education. Length 3 years, age 16 till 18. School education. The Indonesian compulsory education is for 9 years, which includes 6 years of elementary education and 3 years of secondary education. The secondary education has the junior level, also known as SMTP or Sekolah Menengah Tingkat Pertama, the senior level, also known as SMTA or Sekolah Menengah Tingkat Atas, and the technical or vocational education. The junior secondary education school comprises of 3 years and also is a part of basic school education program, have a 6-year primary school education. Senior secondary education has 3 years and is a different form of secondary education school that include vocational, Islamic and general. Further, senior secondary education has 3 sessions, and in the senior secondary school this year, the student get to choose between language, natural science, and social science. The graduate from the senior secondary education school should get the senior level certificate or Sekolah Menengah Atas, which along with an entrance exam is important to attain for further pursuing their higher education. Indonesia is home to different types of higher education institutions like university, public and also private, institute for teachers learning, Islamic institute, private and public offering professional and academic university level of education, and polytechnics. Language Indonesian. Different stages of studies. The non-university level education such as vocational or higher technical education is given by the academy. There are single faculty academies conferring diploma and the polytechnic and also confer diplomas. University level studies. The university level studies are divided into 3 stages. First stage, university level sarjana, S1. The university level first stage is sarjana or status 1, which is awarded to student after successful completion of full-time 4-year study at a school, university or institute. The student must secure a total of 144 credits marks to graduate for subjects like dentistry, medicine, pharmacy, engineering, and veterinary science. Additional 2 to 6 semesters and are added. The degree certificate, which are awarded to the student berdasarkan inscription and the name of the subject. Second stage, university level Magister S2. The Magister of Strata 2 is the second stage of the university level that is awarded to all successful students after completing another 2 years of study and research. Somewhere between 36 to 50 credits above stage 1 are essential for a student to graduate in the second stage of university level. Third stage, university levels Doctor or S3. The third stage, which also known as Doctor or Strata 3, comprises another 2 between 4 after the second stage or Magister.